ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke Department of Khasi jang Shillong College haring kar ke jang Trelang bak Internal Quality Assurance Cell jang nehi ke college hakan dru ya yong arajar pusau klapen longui orientation program ni ke jang theriata halo ke jang pentebet ya ke tian Khasi katkum ke National Education Policy arajar po hakan ni ke jang thernya kabla long auditorium jang ni ke college laishim bentalang ni ke nohi kai ke Department of Khasi naki college ba pher jang rilom Khasi ba jantia kabla yo ya ke jang thu na school ba ne hu Shushu hagari sngi lasa khilang du president jong governing body jong college u professor B Mirbo ublalong kum kongsan mat kiwe ka MIT University Shillong hakan dru uyayong arajar pusau klapen long ye program ke blatip kum ka Shillong Connect daga belum lang ye samla pule ni jaka pule ba pher Hasin Anthony School Higher Secondary School Shillong khnaman ai ke jing tip ke benia halo ke jing pule ke biya dei bakani ke school ba khnam kandup long ke jimin toy ke samla pule ke bidang angnut ba beteng ke jing pule ke jongki Hagani ke sngi ke hun no pher jing samla pule ke bikin thop ya Kamar Students Association ke Mizo Students Union ke Cookie Students Organization ke Naban Women's Synod College ke Sengkhasi Higher Secondary School ke samla pule jong ke MIT University Kleshim Bintaru hagi jing shot and drive pher
Love can be so cold and loneliness gets cold. More than words and broken promises, I want to show you what you love. To come and go home as we please. It's a house we enter in, then commit to never leave. So lock the door behind you, throw away the key. We can work it out together. Let it bring us to our knees. Love She will ask nothing from us, but the men we give our own. Love is shelter in a raging storm. Love is peace in the middle of a war. If we try to
I am Beauty Monsanna, the moderator for today's panel discussion. I would also like to welcome our panel members, Dr. Nirmalya Bhattacharya, our PVC sir, Professor Sharad Kurukshetra, Mr. Arpit Agarwal, and also to you, Dr. Shankar Kumar Jha. Thank you for being a part of our panel discussion. We are honored to have an esteemed group of professionals with us here today, each bringing their unique expertise and perspective to our conversation. In this panel discussion today, we'll have a discussion with our panel members, which will be followed by a Q&A session from the students and audience members. So, without further ado, I would like to start this panel discussion. And the first question I would like to ask is to Professor Sharad Kurukshetra, sir. Sir, what are the unique challenges and opportunities for sustainable tourism in Meghalaya and the Northeast?
My sincere thanks to MIT University, Shillong, especially the OIH, Dr. Bhattacharya. Basically, he has given us the opportunity to share the discussion on viewpoints on different domains like tourism, fashion, and design all together. It's a really a opportunity to share this news. And I'm thankful to especially sir and the entire team of MIT. And my co-panelist, Professor Dr. Ravashankar Jha and PSG. And dear students, when we thinking about tourism is you can say is an activity or is an experience which connect to everyone, and there is no age bar. Everybody like to experience in the tourism, and it is a very universal, you can say it's a holistic type of the practice. But when we're thinking about tourism as a management, we have to think about the two aspects. One aspect is what type of the tourism demand we have, and the second aspect, what is the tourism supply. And when we go through this two aspect like tourism demand and tourism supply, we immediately strike and do the SWOT analysis actually. What is our strength, what is our weakness, what are the opportunities, and what are the threats. So as Madam has mentioned about this question, challenges and opportunity. As all of you know, Northeast is a tourism paradise. And according to Ministry of Tourism, we say paradise unexplored actually. And every state of the Northeast India have focused on the tourism. Because tourism is not only the means of creating the economic opportunity, but actually it's an opportunity to sustaining the entire resource, culture, or tangible or intangible heritage of the Northeast. So as far as the challenge is concerned, when we want to mobilize tourism, we need basically 3 A's. One we call attraction, another we call accessibility, then accommodation. So under the 3 A's, we have to see what are the potential. So you know Northeast is full of attraction.